in the streets emgaqweni. The following episode consists of the use of inappropriate language. All views and opinions held in this episode are not those of the industry emgaqweni, but those of the participants. Okay.
Alright guys, so young ladies, good luck, second one. Also call your friends guys, Bazo man, pull up box 100 rand. This is not just a competition, as blooming, let's make it fun. Ciao.
DJ D.
Yeah, show of it is working control Queen the Street Emgaqweni broadcast live a social link but bayibiza ngani lento eniyenzayo monga explain omunye umuntu ongayazi lento bathi battle of the DJs or of the champions
Sibhedlela bro.
yini kahle
Kahle
ama-audition yeah kahle ngicela ukubuza inhle kubani mina ngiyakwazi mara for ama viewers lapha emakhaya ngakuqala
Okay.
bathi ubani
Mina nguvusi Villa Rams bayangazi.
yeah
I-acapella maker, ama-tools nama-instrumental, ama-hit, niyangazi ku-Facebook, naku-YouTube ngikhona uVilla Rams, inteni yama-acapella.
yeah
Sure.
man Khotman Lam Villarem uqale ngidj Khotman Lam
Oh, bro wami ngisasemncane bro.
yeah wona ile thina masodlala ama-ad wona yo-dj
Mina kudala ngiku-industry ntwana
Yeah, yeah.
Bayangazi ku-YouTube lapha naku-YouTube page
Yeah.
yami Villa Rams,
yeah
Sure.
so ngicokbuza enhle like social link ucabangani establishment enjani for wena
Hayi
Since
establishment
u-DJ.
egrand mngani wami uyabona ngoba ekhaya nama-opportunity abantu ababhali bazocovanyana labo bazobacova understand so kusho
Yeah.
ukuthi bayabhekela nekasi understand
Yeah,
ukuthi
yeah.
sishintshe i-situation understand
yeah so Khotman enye into futhi bengifuna ukuyibuza so if baqasha wena bese baqasha u-DJ yini into ongathanda ukuyishintsha as i-DJ ngokubona kwakho maybe ku-platform yabo DJ sengibuza on i-DJ inside yini maybe onga-eda ukuthi indawo ibe vibrant
mngani wami uyabona umusic omusha understand
Yeah.
dlala istuff esisha uyabona so much as ngishara nama-acapella ngizama ukuthi abantu bazishayela ama-remake nani nkonke
yeah
Sure.
mina ngiyabonga Khotman Lam lapha ekhamereni nje ngobatshela ukuthi sise-social link in the street emgwaqweni show phezu kwe-show
alright
social link
sisemjayiveni estradeni
show phezu kwe-show
Simnandi.
It's
Show
show
phezu
phezu kwe-show
kwe-show.
yabonga Khotman Lam God bless you and
Sure.
go well
So-
bathi in the street emgwaqweni ngiphethe another one bheka la uthi le ivulisile le ndawo if wena ulele uthama ekuseni ngabo-11 la uthi ifike yashayina inamba Khotman
Yeah, sure.
Khotman nna ke a tseba from gala shapanama
Yeah, I'm talking Nacha.
yeah
I'm talking.
o tsala Khotman o tlile jwa gore wa auditioniwa you to shana number so
Obviously ke bo Facebook di ngabona le
Yeah.
ba uthi rengase hayi kaofela.
Rengase, ne?
Yeah, rengase. Yeah.
hantle Khotman la ka motho o sa o tsebeng ne wena kwena mang obviously nna ke a tseba na wa tseba from
Na ke nna Neo,
Yeah.
DJD.
Yeah.
Ke go start town mara no tse ke ploma imol fering ngabona.
Yeah.
So I 10 years social link ke uta vele batla DJ ke
yeah
yabona.
oh
Yeah.
and then unanang Khotman la ka social link I bona fresh
Hayi fresh,
Yeah.
fresh. Mutho secaving azwakala tosha around atlo ploma hayi dimnati.
yeah ara so far the auditions di va jwang like you utlwa di set tsa batho ba bang
Ya, ai utafunyana vya. Utafunyana ai.
Yeah,
Mara le
utafunyana.
nna dilwannenyana wa bona.
Yeah, hana ke o tsebe.
Ya shikira ai.
Yeah.
Phela tsontse di tsebe re phela tswa fair.
eh mara
sure.
o shebile Khotman ke
Yeah.
fengwe o utlwa ngore tsotsi
Yeah.
sa cheta ka tsa so
Ai so far ai.
Yeah.
Ai so far so.
Ko wena, man.
Ai ke nai ke valin.
o bale
Pesha kan.
ya tshoro di sida ba ile
Yeah, ba ile
totole
mtotole.
mara okay wena Khotman la ka abanka hira ne uwin
Yeah.
yini like ongayishintsha na Khotman Lam like ongathanda ukuthi maybe indawo maybe ingayishintsha kuze
Yeah.
nani nabo DJ
Okay.
nibe recognize nithuthuka abantu banibone
Okay. Tuke chinchang mana ariyo baya wabona. because of ke lekinyana ya rally ya bo DJ ba llang ka yona wa bona ine personal matter vele bo DJ bana lolla ha re kopane wa bona so ai nka hlala bona mo fatshe ke utla go balla kang ka chincha ntonyana ma ke tonyana tse nyane ya ke totse luxeya
khotman la ka sheba God bless you and then na to rapelo ruwi no wa from start town ke tswa lwena ke tsela mamina ke dlala lapho mara no ki khotman kana nje lapha camera uthi social link ama auditions show phezwe show
social link auditions somebody kuqhubeka kufela
show phezwe show thank you khotman la ka phethe khotman amele imjojo bheke ka simokhula ezifana nayo khotman bathi uvetisi Why banbiza kanjalo?
Kunjalo mfowethu.
Kunjalo. Arazi khotman ubani khotman la?
Usibonga mfowethu ka.
Uphuma va khotman ushaya number kanje.
Ngilajabula.
Amajabulani badlala hip hop. Wena ushaya number kanje khotman. Ukwateleni kangaka?
Hayi siyancela.
Hayi ukwatile ngiyabona.
Ola kasi.
Arazi khotman bheka audition cover igrand mina ngokubona kwami. Mara wena based on iset lakho nokuzwa abanye abantu ngokubona kwakho uvaye kanjani? Like ngokucabanga based on ama ratings.
Amajita adlala ne.
Talented
liningi kakhulu.
Libhaya ne.
Mina ngidlala egrand ngishaya old school ya.
Shaya old school. Arazi khotman uqale nini wena DJ?
2002.
English. Lapho ngisafunda icrash.
Ngizika ngegate.
Ngisaseyemseni, ngisika. Ngisasika. Ayibona nathabele ngosocial now.
Break 10.
Amara khotman amdala uqalile into engiyakuzwa like ngathi khona lento bathi music for a matured. Isong selection yakhe matured khotman la. Bheka khotman ne if you win or if you select maso DJ yini lo ngathanda ukushintsha la e-social media as DJ for platform yabo DJ ukuze bathole lezo ngoba abanaki kakhulu ende yini lezi ukuthi kube so
no mfethu mina as far as social media on point
ne
got friends abadlalile la I've never complained I just think it's a much the humele as community ashayina
mfana njenganawe baspecific ashayina manje njenganawe khotman la salute ne kuma socials ubani for abantu abafuna ukubhuka
ku Facebook sibonga mavuso TikTok usokangwane sure
angwane bafethu hayi inesikhathi semqoqweni kena nje uthi show phezwe show e-social link ama auditions
show phezwe show e-social link ama auditions
inesikhathi semqoqweni broadcast live e-social link kinkodora kakhulu ngiphethe uJove la mara bamazi bathi DJ bani
fresh poison
mngani wami ngizulu ufaka ipoison bheka ngahlala phansi ngavuka ngathi show phezwe show wenza poison ilenzani madoda DJ poison bheka uqale nini ndoda ukudlala ngoba uyadlala uthami
since 2011 mngani wami
ndoda into niqale kudala kusho uthina amadlala ibhola lena no DJ
mfethu sothi
ungekho mnandi ebholeni
mnandi mara manje yazi sonke ama-toes wethu awafani ama-toes wethu kwama-CDJ
amara mfethu awudlalile uthami
ngiyabonga bro wami
kahle kahle cabangana uthami ngale establishment le social link
le establishment is a dope establishment like sekasi mfethu but basilethele into engekho ekasi uyayithola double story kasi
bheka ngasidlaleliwani kwaMaria kuphela
yabona ke
start kuphela
obvious but masijiva kuma-double story like indaweni e-proper place esibhali where like be affordable kawuli khona
yonke into mfethu ayithoko hayi wena uzocobana nawe mama lakho so ubheka ne poison if you get hired poison yini ongathanda ukuyishintsha as a DJ wala for ukuthi abanye bo DJ babe recognize bazi
period of his cut like give us a chance guys cut ungizwe ngayi 15 minutes
encane
ungizwe
but into engichazayo even though encane you guys manage to maneuver
mfethu mangabe unesikhathi kule field kumele wazi ukuthi mangika isikhathi esingaka how do I prove myself to loyo muntu ukuthi ngizibona ngathi study ngiyayifuna how hungry am I for riding lena so ngaleso sikhathi ositholayo use it isibani so baba ngavula nje iminyango badile bayivula le bayivule ngakhona fanda
mfana ndayi salute to social link
salute
so into nje nami ngifuna ukusho ukuthi awuthami God bless mina just wish guys ngokuya kwami enganihara nonke manje angikhoni anginawo ama-fans for nonke ngoba mfethu mnandi nonke mara without fair into nje ngicela uyisho la uthi in the streets emgaqweni e-social link auditions
in the streets emgaqweni
social
link in the streets
So,
bafethu.
show phezu kweshow.
Show phezu kweshow.
Ngisaseyiye social link angakamuva bafethu. Sasama auditions. Izinto zami futhi ziyabulala. Eziqalile ziyabulala, ezingeneno ziyabulala, esisazofika futhi ziyabulala. Kahle kahle bheka wathi ukhila amabhisi fike isiyabulala. My dog, wena manga ntaka wathi basawutsebile.
Kinantokozo kanti stage name Kisoni Kisses.
Oh yeah, utsavame pa, utsakala.
Komndeni
Yeah.
so it's obvious kaSilamakasi.
Yeah, eBeirut. 16 bathi 1868 tabheka thina ke mambisa 1632 thembisa we represent. Yeah, manje uqala lini wena uDJ?
Ngale 2012
2012. Ah baba, 2012 ka umhlaba bebathi yaphela.
njengoba bathi yaphela thola ngapha phuma namamuvi ukuthi vele
Ajele bawuthukile uthi amasi DJ wami.
mara benginethemba ukuthi ayintagazi ayikho yonke
Mara mina ngiyakuthemba bowuzohlalela kana.
ngiyayithola
Kana ezulwini siphethe wena.
nangara mfethu mangifika obvious
Yeah.
on phezu kwama-CDG
Yeah.
siqhubeka la sigcine khona
Otherwise I would tell him since udlala ne.
Yeah.
I-audition yakho I hope it went well. But ngikuzwile iset lakho.
Sure.
Wena ukubona kwakho. Ayiphi uma uzibheka lezi uthi hey. Uyawuthi le?
sifere la
Yeah.
nayo vele
Ayibana. Ubani lesha all black ka.
yathi le all black yathi le all black ngiphuma nayo vele
Uzwile no poison wena wathi awazwanga khawo.
yathi le
Yeah.
wonke la mawuthi ngoba la poison
Yeah.
nale all black
Ayibani ukhesi.
yayithola khoda phela phuma sonke phela sonke sashisa
Yeah.
vele saphela
Bana machita adlala mfana.
Hayi.
So uyebona ukuthi ngathi vele izonqinza le.
eish
Mara uthako so yeah.
indaba ze-genre mnandi obvious
Yeah.
hip hop
Yeah, ina hip hop. Yeah, eluda nabo just same, yeah.
yayithola so
Yeah.
dlala into eyi-one isikhathini
Yeah.
esibhala
Ngiyakuzwa manje. So mongawina ne. Yeah. Ama auditions ava trend. Yini wena as a DJ ongafuna ukuyenzela bo DJ and then yini futhi ongayishintsha uyibona ukuthi ayilalings abasenzeli sabo DJ ithi ngifake kancane itswaye ngala ngifaka ushukela ngala uqoqoze mfethu kube umbhuqu.
Obvious nga-give away mfethu ama-opportunities yabo ama-youngsters obvious
Yeah.
kabhaya khona ama-cameos
Yeah.
yayithola so ukushintsha igame ngasho ukuthi njengoba ubona ukuthi most
Yeah.
sonke piano yile kudominathayo
Facts,
obviously ba-advise ukuthi hayi mfethu asipiyano kuphela yabo we must try other genres wena wazitshela ukuthi piano vele mnandi piano kanti yayithola into yakhila
Oh yeah.
yeah regardless ukuthi u-DJ but music kubalulekile
Facts. Yeah. Ala sicabanga ngimpara nge-social link establishment mfethu hayi.
stuff esimnandi
Ayi,
mfethu indawo egrand
Yeah.
epholile
Fetha nje amama mfethu shebo lonto.
awe uyayibona ukuthi njani
Please.
uyayithola
Yeah.
so noma udlula la estradini mani uyafisa ukuthi mani ipayipeya la
Yeah, ne.
the way nje indawo engakhona set-up everything amnandi and ayikho into engatholakali
Yeah.
uyayithola booze food everything
Nawo nabo DJ.
Nabantwana, nabo DJ yonke into
Yeah.
ishu
Bheka madogo ngicela nje lapha uthi in the streets a-social link shop has the show.
in the streets social link chop
Phezwe show. Injalo lezi zinto zami le streets emgwaqweni broadcast live kinkodola kakhulu. Shop has kwenye ngifikile kulama auditions. Angakahambi ngisasela suku sasewuthi izinja zami sifikile shy number. Zadedela ushop has kwenye. Nenge nje ngiyayibona manje ufuna ukusifaka. Kodwa bheka ngizoyibiza uthami. Isayo shy number. Isho ukuthi angazi. Isazolahlela. Mara ngakavazi izinja zami ngithola. Izinja zami shop has kwe show. A social link in the description emgwaqweni sifikile broadcast live exclusive Swag Media. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also comment ngalabo DJ laba engibaphethe. My dog, who are you? Ngibuza ngathi umntana ka grade 1.
mina
Kumela phezulu andile mfethu ngifuna bakuzwe andi. Yeah.
bangibiza ngestrata igama lasestrati
Yeah.
Black Boy
Black boy.
i-management ye-SOS Music
Hayi izinja wena my dog ubani?
Yakofile umastudyile off from SOS Music njengoba seshile manje
Yeah.
vele same time vele sidlala ipiano thina ke siyalipheka salidlala
Yeah.
kuba yiyo yonke lento le yayibona le
Oh so kahle nifanonke
yeah showcase
Ni bathi English ni chu.
ichu yayibona
Ayisithuwethe amara ngiyazama.
Ichu
ne.
Uyibambe khona.
Yeah. So
Uyibambe
zinja
khona.
zami nina anikakadlali ne.
Asikadlali.
Anikakadlali.
Asikadlali.
Mara ngokuzwa kwenu inklama auditions.
yeah
Anjani amaseta amajiti siqale ngala.
khona ufikile ngimzwile
Baba wami.
kahle hey ukuthi angibambanga fade amagama wama
Yeah.
man ma hayi athela induku nani
Begcoke kanjani mina le bisho.
shy player Hayi kekeni, hayi wo.
Baba wami. Baba wami. Baba wami.
Leyanyafakaza.
Ikawu.
Leyangibuzwanga nyafakaza.
Hayi, yabona leya.
Ngingacashwanga la. Ayikho le.
Nepotism.
Hayi ngempela.
Leya baba wami. Leya. Yabona leya. Nyayizwe. Yazi phuma va Peruthi emndeni. Mara sikho lapho zinja zami. Ungene lapha ku-industry somgwaqweni uzoyithola uyibhukha la kimi yabona esibhawa manje senibhukhwa la kimi zinja zami ngiyanimaneja namanje nguphuri nemfuna ama-royalties ka ekudala silambika arayi izinja zami ne bheka no nani nizongena ngake yabo isikhathi nje singakabi ibhana nizofika la nidlale nani arayi izintwana isetakho uqinile ndoda usho
hayi mfethu ngithembile
yeah uthembile kawo
bheja ngempilo yabo
ubheje ngempilo yakhe bheja ngini
I-over total. Asu-100 lidlulele.
zinja zami mina ngiphethe istick somaskandi so angazi nginikaye or ngingari nganami no ngoba
sangakremixela yena umaskandi khona
phethe yethu umjikijelwa
yeah
nginikaye bafethu
sangamremix umjikijelwa
ngizonikazi zinja zami so bheka ne nizo-auditiona nani nizongena njengabanye abantwana I just hope bafethu nani niqashwe bafethu angithola so nicabangani nge-social link ngale opportunity enigayona ukuthi ezabo DJ nizo showcase i-talent even though it's 15 minutes naku 1 zone 2 beku 3 minutes mara nje nicabangani
hayi mina it was a good idea phela yabo ngoba being creative nalapho getting opportunities ukuthi ushaye marketing yakho as artist oyazi ama-artists abhahle sasivalele always making music but then they can't go out there and actually do the networking so yeah setups fine, content of course
fine,
sweet.
Sweet. Matok, let me ask you a different question. So if you get hired as a DJ, what would you like to change for our DJ ukuze babe recognized kule industry since nibangaka madoda abanye bebathi tshwala ba manje sesithi mniki bafethu nibanini
definitely sibabhaya ne and soze sibabhaya kanje kunama opportunity so one of ama opportunity eyenzwe yi ekhaya ngithola so yinto enga-expanda leyo mina mangikuku ukuthi vele bangidonsa ngespana yini sho ukuthi Jimbosi iminyango izovuleka ngempela kubekisa le nto ayipheleli ngathi
ayipheleli ne yeah zinja zampeka ngicela lithi social link in the streets noma ningaqala lithi in the streets social link show phezu kwe-show ama-auditions
social link
in the streets emgaqweni
same time over here
ngitshela show phezu kwe-show injalo madog
social link
in the streets
social link in the street
show phezu
kwe-show yazi olanesothini Soweto
yawuthami uma ngithi Soweto nithi sigethu ithini Soweto nina nithini
athina sithi sigethu
industry semgaqweni ye-social link show phezu kwenye King Kodela kakhulu bheka zinja sami going crazy abayabulala amajidanga engaphakathi angithola bathi amanzi noparafini ehlangani marabheka zinja sami mani yashaya baba wami yakubona ngathi bowunevasi unganamthanga ukuthi waqhaqhazela
ayazi birthday of the office
hey kwenzakaleni ntando mara leyo nkinga leyo ne ngifuna ukuyiringa no awusumuntu oqala okhala ngayo khona omunye ozile ke manje umntwana stick sama-3 ngala iphile test lezo ngayikuleyo
singabheki amadesk into ungathesti into zakho ufuzwakala izokukhawata sometimes
yabo ukuthi honest
wonke umuntu uyadlala ke uyazakhala zonke umuntu
ne
ithi phela isikhala
ushuthi uphethe isinevirus
ngiyangithola kabuhlungu
alazi badok for abantu abangakwazi wena ubani
mina kusifisa ukuhle ngegama uboy ka-station khona la emndeni
khona emndeni mani my dog bheka ne ucabangani nge-social link njengoba na ufikile qala establishment social link udenkani
social link bethu mina one of the elite places la eKasana
facts
futhi emndeni ke yesiphethe
ne wasasemndeni kanti ngayi
futhi yasemndeni yini kabantu emndeni uningi makafika singayidini
alright ngokubona kwakho wena ne i-audition laqualify kanjani besides lama mistake lawa maybe out of 10 ngokubona kwakho
afida ngidolanga ngathi samdolanga afida mara imixing yami yenza improve ngithi umuntu mangabaja sakuni kenzayo otherwise ayifiki
mara wena my talk ne if a guy chance we'll never know this is life but also uzobe resident DJ yayi yini ongathanda ukuyishintsha kuze bo DJ ka bathuthuke yekasi ngoba anikho recognize kakhulu abanye bafuna ukunibhatala ngama 6 pack
hayi when it comes to inkinga ka yiyo ama-promoter
yeah
ngoba bajeza aqaba ukuthi siyashaya khleli that's why asibiza sifana amabhatini abo
Facts.
bakela awasibhadali vini babhadala bona laba sibali
Yeah.
bafika kayi-1 by 2 into ngisho ama-promoter yiyo kumele change
yeah
otherwise yakuthi DJ kusiyenzayo
Ayi, khona.
siyashaya kuphela
Maraka ubani uyibonayo ukuthi hey yawuthi le ngoba engathathanga le bazobe bayadlala so far
manje sayashaya
ayinto
abe nginamanga
akunamanga ne
sayashaya manje
Yeah.
umuntu azizema
yeah beka matoko kunomntana ekasi ufuna ukubhuka manje utholakala va noma nje ungashiya amanamba lapho ngizolahlela lapha ku description yakho
mina vele abashibushi ukuthi siphushayo ama-event ne-page
yeah khona maybe ipati ezayo mfethu nami ngitholakale phela
khona iphathi sishayayo
umunise kasuthu umuntu
khona iphathi sishayayo vile
Yeah.
like soba kuthiwa sibuye emndini
yeah
Songa Fest la e-shop nge-27 April
akusuzithebe lo wecheese akusushabalala lo ngicela ubatshela ukuthi ubani
I know everything na DJ Mo Calibito.
yeah
I'm born and raised Motopsonville.
dintsha
Kitibisa passion into
uhlile lenyora anokapa monna majwe
when you love something, you do it kapilu,
yeah
and fear will tell us I can just do it with the heart.
facts
Everything will just go according.
mina hlezi ngithi fear is the biggest failure in life
Yeah. You know what fear has an acronym.
yazi thini ithi face everything and rise
Yes.
bese
Face
ithi
everything.
think and rise
Yeah.
and then forget everything and rise
Yeah.
kuya ngawo ukuthi wena ukhetha
Yeah.
yangithola
Learn greater things. You must move up to greater things. You must
facts
vibrate low.
facts yeah otherwise my talk ne kupobutsa fela uqalile ningu DJ mfethu
You.
ushalo kote so
Erikisa bua the original date in it, but
Yeah.
now officially since I graduated to Boston, it's been around about
shori behlulana lapha ecampus
yeah. So it was
ehlulana ecampus hayi
Not like this is get the very Ala ukara idenge wala ukara.
hayi soyipipa
Not me. I cut it out. Cameraman.
yeah
This cut.
my cameraman is producer
Oh, producer.
this cut and put out
Yeah, cut.
yeah
Yeah,
Rasul
officially it's been since 2016 till now. And yeah, man, I've been pushing professionally since, just pushing wherever
Yeah.
I can go, wherever I can play.
yeah so in fact since ufihlile yini so far wawuka sound yama uthili different even though it's piano it's Afrotech is house mara ngokuzwa kwakho hey photo moyibheka ukuthi ntonele etswile ngishele katibe blue hey
Yeah, this other guy, what very like black.
mafethu ngitshalile ngale shaypek ngitshalile
Ngizwile.
ngitshalile
Ngizwile.
eliyabona maphoyisa ngibatshelile ngale
La ngono siye anytime before mina ngathi la
Yo.
ngeke ngathi ngeke ngempini ngempini me and you together we go we fight
hayi yakuza khotha so cabangani nge-social link ukuthi ningawuphothunise kanje nize lana nizo-showcase italente nani nizokhonga ukuthi nibe ama-resident nidle bafidala silambile kunini
I mean it's nice to see Hori there are people that are not gatekeepers gatekeepers and closing us out. Now they're opening doors for us all to come in and express our talent.
Yeah.
And it's a nice thing, it's a nice thing because now we can all now come out into the industry and input something to the industry. So it's a great initiative, Bona, big up.
niyasiza isilungu saseboston sinja sami niyasizwa-ke mfethu Khotman Laka sheba ne-big up to you shout out just ukuthi nawe bayakucoka yona ngoba sekulakho it was matured sibiza nge-Godfather music
Wayibona.
so just ukuyabo ukuthi nawe bayakucoka ne
Ayibona ka-time.
Ngathayimi ne Khotman Laka kuba uri e-social link ama-auditions bafethu industry semgaqweni
Bafethu social link ama-auditions.
sinzi
In the street emgaqweni.
show phezu kwe-show
Show phezu kwe-show.
salute ntaka
Kalimosho. Kalimosho.
Hawaiti ntshataka basalitsebeng letswa kae
wona ka tlhaga ko south of ile ko Crown Gardens phela Bolbits
yeah okay cheesy ale phume cheesy ale ayetwa cheesy ka ekaseliwana yeah otherwise kupobusa ntaka ne so far ke efeng e le utlwa ai awuthele tlamele be resident ke kale ka wena
I don't love Calibito, man. Mara ngiyambona.
Yeah. Ah, what's angala? Yeah. So when antaka kwena mangwe, anti kwena mangwe. Kwena zi. Yeah, wena mato kwena mangwe. Kupa tumeleka yini mato? Wena kwena mangwe. Yeah. Oh, alili chuba libitsa bomang.
Ke School of Hard Knocks.
School of Hard Knocks. Ah, ibana kalibito la trap music ilishaya, ni general field.
Ke piano, 3-step, combo.
Oh, ka uchi ye ka. Bese tsai ine. Yeah. No more chi dikadi wono kadile ni wena uli wani. Banna. Umuna rara shebile World Cup wena muna watije. Kanurala nka we. Hayi. Yeah. No see your stadium mashavala la kora. No shot 3-step, basa itsi. Pe, so tshuru tshantsi na kudala. Wena ni rara kadile ni.
Na qelle 2021 ke go taka choose yabo.
Yeah. Yeah. So ntsaka since fihlile yini lina nanka social link chisanya establishment.
Hayi. Multiplayer shop so
Yeah.
environment. Yeah, waplome
Yani. Yeah.
That's
Wena ntsaka abankal tova le dithu or ba tova oyi1 you never know. You solo as a DJ yini ongathanda ukushintsha ukuthi nabanye abo DJ babe recognized. Kulento leniyenza.
mina repeat futhi.
Bayakuthatha bathi resident DJ.
Sure.
What would you like to change as a DJ so that other DJs can get an opportunity? Kulento leniyenza. Yeah. Yini maybe unga-add ke already auditions sebanenzele ungathanda uku-add wena maybe
Hayi ngoba time
management. Yeah.
sebenzana ngesikhathi so.
Yeah. Hey, yeah.
Time management.
Ngoba ngakadlali sinja zami ngeke ngize nginirate mara nisazodlala bafethu can't wait to hear your set angithola ngizodlala ebusuku mara sheba ntshatha kupale remote industries social link
In the streets, social media.
show phezulu kweshow ama auditions
Danko.
hayi show it's show phezulu kweshow
Show phezulu show.
auditions injalo ntshatha kana tjalebo God bless you. Magama it was it was going crazy, it was going nice. Man. But DJ bani ngoba mina ngiyakwazi abangakwazi lapha emakhaya uDJ bani
DJ Ivanova
uyashaya man
all the way from a daily talk.
kude manje wasesukashile uzokhona nje ama
I'm in a room.
uzohlala nami ngine apartment
Okay, that's
nami angathuki sohlalela mfethu amarushayile yabo awushayile mfethu mina ngifuna ukuthi yabo sokashiwe uhlale wazi Mawatashanga ungifonele futhi ngizokupha ama number ungikhalele uthi amara wena king uhlale ngani.
Okay, akunastress mara mina ngibongile for the opportunity yabo. Ngene ukuthi ngazile ukuya ekseni ngiyeza lana ngazo umuntu bese ngashaya isibani.
So how long like have you been teaching?
I started from 2021 late. I was doing matric.
Ushaka kanje?
Yeah. Angizoke ngiyapusha kamathi yabo.
Wena bakuphile lesa stick sakho. Hayi. Ubani ngiphi stick? Wena stick akungasi stick sakhe lesibeka dlala ngaso. Esale. yabo. Ngiyazana. Abarushayile twala man, it was crazy. Arise experience yakho ni social link njani so far?
Yo, kuningi ngikhulu ukudlala lana. First time ngidlala lana didn't play ne, but I was like one day I'm gonna make it. Nanjoba ngalalanga manje.
Yeah,
I was like hoping ukuthi
you gotta give it your best.
Yeah.
And then you
Yo, Yo, experience it was fine. Isekho ilanga.
Isekho ilanga ne.
Yeah.
Uzoyilungisa ukhuluma ne-management. Nami langixhopha la. So ubheka ne.
Yeah.
If njengoba sengivele uqashiwe yini wena into ongathanda ukuyenza as a female DJ specific and already ama-auditions you are female DJ but guys there's few of you.
Yeah.
Inkinga iva ukuthi nize nibe few kanje.
Inkinga ukuthi ne like masicala ukudjya yonke into iba ya sharp ne but abanye abantu abakhona ukuthi bazikhuphule yabo bahlezi like badlala around certain mistakes about evaluating and stuff yabo but mina if I can become a resident I could not only introduce females to the ndawo lena but also guys that know how to play and badlala music for sharp for ukuthi beze nabo bazosiya but like basibanike i-chance because nami I was once like them ayitholi i-chance ngithola mara i-chance
wayithole uyabulala boyithola
yeah kumele like now uziphushe because if ngibonile i-post mara bengine opportunity ukuthi ngilale or ngihambe mara ngeze
washaya
ngabulala
bulala bheka lapha ku-description ngizolahlela amanamba akho and then kuma-socials abantu abafuna ukubhukha already so iposta le video bazoyibonga ukuthi ushaye inamba ngithola
so mina ne ku-Facebook ngu-DJ Zanova ZANOVER bese ku-TikTok ngu-DJ Zanova bese ku-Instagram ngu-DJ_Zanova with small letters
man bheka
YouTube khona ku-DJ Zanova
kodwa henhlilwa yimi kusitha ukho mangase uze kushanele yami yazi ngicela wenzela lapha ecamereni uthi social link in the streets show phezu kwe-show social link in the streets show phezu kwe-show
social link in the streets show phezu kwe-show
in the streets emgaqweni broadcast live show phezu kwe-show social link yama-auditions injalo direct ngithi DJ wami mina sengimunisile mara khona enye bafethu engiyiphethe ngithola nizoyizwa hey osondele kanti ozozikhulumela ngicela usondele ungabenza so in the streets emgaqweni broadcast live man man bafethu ayish bheka man bheka sismayile kanjani hayi manje thina sabo take off bafethu yazini ngicela usave kuko koyi-2 manje thina bafethu sabo take off bheka ngiphethe omunye u-take off wemigos mana Ron ukhwevu angithola awuthami enhle kika mubani ushaye inamba kanje baba
egama ngumzaka bafethu bambiza
enhle ka wavuka wathi ngizofike la ngishaye iduku ngibheke i-crowd ngibuye ngifake ngidi nyenkezi
hayi into
kanti stick sami leso siphetha wena
unyaka nazi zokushitela
stick sami kange
no esikenzeka phela mawuvuka yabo uvuka uwe sometimes ubuyele emuva ukhumbule ukuthi ubuyaphi but then you will have a good set for into zakho
otherwise experience yakhe injani mzalo la social link
no hayi yonke into yobe grand yazi ngeke ngicomplain amajita wonke umuntu masifika hayi bekulide bekumnandi masisonke
uqale nini DJ
ukudlala ngacala I think 2009 or 10 if not mistaken
World Cup busy
before World Cup I was starting with ingene
Zara Matola awuyashaya nkalakathi
bethu zothini ukuphela
yini bethu eyakumotivate enhle ukuthi DJ ungangitshela
no DJ I used to like music yabo big time even at time la medlala music endlini yazi ungikhenye ngize ngikuthande ngaba nenye Hotman nalebedloma ngare Kaslam bedlala music or the best that's give my fun organize equipment ikhona ukuqala uthi ayamseta mfethu or la yam rest in peace uBrantai awuthi ongifake intweni from 2010 bese ngumnandi
and manje ubhekile asho hey intwana etsanga emzara bheka mfethu le I just hope put now win mfethu be resident uzobazisa nomculo lo yathi nesuzwile la laba bangekho emakhaya kodwa umuntu ofuna ukubhuka mfethu epatini utholakala kuphi kuma socials ubani kuma socials ngicela futhi share namanamba ngizofaka lapha ku description
ofuna ukubhuka yatholakala ngu-Ezekiel DJ Mzaka Maswangani ku Facebook and then ku Twitter @DJ Mzaka_SA then ngiyatholakala na ku TikTok mara ku TikTok ngisebenjayiva
madoda uyasuka kanjani
kancane number 078336161
futhi silo mngani wami
07833616112
bheka ngicela ukuthi e-social link in the street shop phezu kwe-show
awuyebo e-social link in the street shop phezu kwe-show
injalo zinja zami direct ngisakhopareni ngoba ngimkodela kakhulu ukuzibala wonke into ngizamshela ngathayidedela umshayo sinqa semlazi shop phezu kwe-show intwana enkulu yasenaleni bheka sase social link angaka movie ngiphethe umzara madoda ngiphethe poison ngiphethe ozili oEzekiel amagama asebhayibhelini elingawazi ama ungekho la ngesixhosa bathi uphosiwe kwedini uyayiva lento show phezu kwe-show asibe siya yeah, karakatha wena igama ubani?
Mina igama with the seasons athi.
Yeah. Oh, DJ the seasons.
Yeah, no, with the seasons.
The seasons. Oh, awusi DJ.
Yeah, mina ngenza yonke into.
Oh, now una production. Uqale nini ndoda ukusha production kahle? Uqale ngeproduction.
Okay. Production ngiqale 2015 ngiqala. I was a hip hop producer mangicala.
And I can tell the trip is on point.
Yeah, ngishaya hip hop eqaleni and then when time went on fell in love with piano because vele mina ngumuntu we deep house ngivule deep house ngakhapo those combats yonke lo nyaka uyazi
mfethu namazidakhapo
yabona iqale kanjalo and then from lapho and then from lapho yathi piano and piano ngifakwa yini le album labo umdu iphula EP ileleke ladala ngistem ladala but awuthi ngishaya piano
wangena athi shaya piano
same time ngishaya piano and from lapho bengiloko ngishaya piano but uk DJ ngiqale 2023 and nakhona bengifoswa i-situation because beginning 2023 being part of Iremi producer series le ye-Major League.
Zinja zami ngantshela ngathi ngibaphethe. Mina ngiphethe inkalakatha la. Ngicela uphinde lento eshila abakuzwanga.
Ngiyayiphinda 2023 being part of Iremi producer season 2
ye-Major League bafethu idlala ku Channel O. Ikhona ku MTV Base. Ikhona na ku YouTube.
Yabona benjalo vele from there cause vele u-DJ bekungasiza into zami eqaleni and then the competition yangiphoqa ukuthi nayo it is start DJ and then from lapho
production yakho.
Mfana and then track yabona into yabona into yangikhuthaza ukuthi one of the production bake bayidlala kuma-shows wabo overseas yabona lento leke yangijabulisa inhliziyo yabona ngabona ukuthi nano hayi siyangakhona musa asipusha yabona no sazama ukuzipatanisa simeke sure ukuthi abantu bayaqaba at least ngode seasons yabona hayi njalo
arasi experience yakho completely social link Simpson ufikile uyibona mfethu njani abo DJ nifikile abo auditions sasenjani for wena late music receive kanjani
na probe yabona mozohlangana namajita ngishaye style festival niyakhuthala because ufunda into ebhaya noma ungaringanga nabo khona izinto zibambayo and mozoringa namajita vele be wethu because vele nistemane nama connections aqala la so ukuthi ngenilo rangenanga the opportunity yokunetwork because networking at this moment is very important.
Next week siku podcast mina nawe we chopping it up
yabona njalo so siqala kanjalo bit by bit kancane izinto ziyahlangana so enjalo
otherwise ne sibe honest ulabo bazwi ubani owambheka wathi hey madoda hey shaya number lengane shaya number ubaba hey phusa izwini
yabona uZenova vele wangicabangisa i-guidance yami ngivele ngacabangisa etlami ukuthi ngizolingena kanjani
ayinani different style into engikhala different styles even though it's same approach but different styles
nange English bayathi ukuthi ni different strokes for different folks so injalo uyakhuthala vele uma umuntu makalahle linamba uyathi namba ngangena same thing akushaya inamba asingabi nejealous asingabambani ngenhliziyo bafethu siphusha umculo
bulapilo mfethu sezingisho bulapilo
enjalo umculo impilo asiphusheni kanjalo sibambeni kanjalo sophumelela bit by bit asiphusheni into le
man mayitopeka man ngicela nje just give shout out to a social link for ama auditions afandakhe nawe uthole opportunity ngicela nje ubatshela ukuthi a social link in the streets emgaqweni shop phezu kwe-show
social link in the streets emgwaqweni shop phezu kwe-show
injalo darezi bafethu bheka ubafaka kahambi ngisahlele naye la uzongena ngizomprofile vele uzuzwana ngomshaya amavideo ngomshaya ithombe nizobona umunye umgwaqo nje othela weka kinkotola kakhulu shop phezu kwenye ubani igama abantu abangakwazi ukuziba ukale nini bana sengishaya i-BK manje azizini mara solo ya manje ibambile yabo IFM so making it have a crash umakeli unokuthi ngiyobona abantu yabo otherwise
kumele ukhona ukuyobona abanye abantu ngoba bayazi
kubekela ne angeke ngisakuyisa njani ama-audition ngoba already disappointed sekumele lakho mina i-audition le but if my dog bayakova bayi-resident DJ yalana wena as i-DJ yini into bekungathanda ukuthi la social media so abo-DJ yini yona maybe into ongayenza for abo-DJ kuze nabo baqala
ngicabanga ukuthi i-social media provider platform right but in terms of yeah the whole country bathathe wonke umuntu ngoba abanye abona ukuthi umuntu usafunda so kumele bathethe babheke ukuthi abantu baba empara kanjani because abekho motivated umuntu uyadlala la uyabona ukuthi akekho motivated
andiyadlala umeso
so yini engayichange yokuqala ukuthi abantu bazi ukuthi okay mhlawumbe uma ngabe ngizenzela ukuthi ubani yini engibeke ekhaya abantu bazoba motivated
ngidambe i-motivation ngicela uyiphinde hayi khona ungazwaka le i-motivation
ukuthi abantu babekele something bazoba motivated uma bedlala bazokwazi ukuzikhandla
hayi thamle inhlobo ngifaka nathi into yami ayeka amathofu good luck mina just ukuthi nayo ufike la sayinto zakhona sekuqoqa imfihlo phela wena uma imfihlo uvalile seyithatha la ayela right lapha camera lazicela ukuthi social link resident DJ audition
social link resident DJ audition
show personal show
is social link resident DJ audition
hi look at the show personal show
salute
my show complex and sama coachman afana na Black Coast coachman la baye basket ufana no coachman la kwani awe akikofika lapha hayi that's just expected host thina safuna ukwazi mara lo ngithi sibalekile into system kakhulu broadcast lazi into zami khathela ne social link akeka hambe bheka show phezwenye bangazi basigameni leso awukelele imisizo yokuhamba show phezwenye bheka asibe siya show phezwenye yena basethu social link into system kakhulu ukuthi nobana bangakwazi
afana uyabonana usalanga hayi ngikusalanga la ukhevinile akungenwa la asiyeke njalo
ungibaleke dala ngokuphinda ubambile namhlanje mara ngibaleke yabo beke time besiyabuya futhi mandaba beka bese badintela social media babendawo nangefobo sesizawa mara fanasi kanensethi sakufunda basethu lona so mola ekhaya emhlaba wakala uze ngayo social media ukuthi number ayisi nera boyi eno bonke labo basethu bakhona abangathi badintobezele Kotmanland, iCloud isilele wayivusa. Anyakuza, nyakuza. Kotman ubani, abantu abangamazi ubani.
Saturday iceman iceman waseDuxi la.
Yeah, sure. Anyawazi, ayathela, mina anyakwazi.
Isipani.
Ngaba nami ngiyabona iface kwami. Ayazi khona ukuthi isipani. Anazi Kotman nepho abantu abangakwazi uqaleni ukuthi
uqala ngicala 2008.
Now when the one I'm taking, you will say that I'm too much. I don't think you should do I'm what? Yeah, so it's a shame. I don't know. Yeah, Maro. Yeah, he is bound by the show. In your nest. Yes, Coachman, if when I know that hard, when it's in the time, you don't know for customer.
Oh, I find in my end. First of all, kuna ma-DJ so ungayenza ama-stage exciting izinto ezifana nalezi siyabonga ukuthi izinto esoka kahle kahle nisibethele isipani letha ama-CV wethu ibalulekile so abo-system bethu singabayenzela into yokuthi efana nayo kuba nomunye ngale kuba nomunye ngapha 2 stages kuyayiwa mfethu ziyawa mfethu kuyayiwa ziyawa
hayi ngiyakuzwa Kotman lami mina athasukubakhasha nonke umuntu ozalapha ukuya kwami benganithatha nonke ingama thi angazi kanjani ngoba besiyadlala but staff sakho different abadlala ipiyano wena general ekhethi indlela yakuthatha sound
ngesound yiyo ekhona ngaphakathi yisound iphila ngaphakathi amapiano sesiyawapusha but leya sound iyakanye
But Mandam, Facebook, IG, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, share my handles. Bafaka la
bonke ama-handles bakulethu Mthatho Ice TikTok uIceman
but Mandam, social link in the street.
social link in the street
Show, mina ngibatshela live bafethu Khotmani udlala nge-stick sami ne babe ngikasha yini mina ngithatha 50% imali yami sibe honest
you're right ngoba i-stick sami
kodwa la mina yakunanga ne ngithanda lapho ngane udlala ngakho yazi bathi music for the short we shine music for the short music for the song for so itara ke khatho ushabo usikambo abomeli abo mhlabo lesiyethenza botoko mara wena ufana ubani sayinamba kahle
kuri usonga siyami kumalani so traffic ya no option and only
yashaya Khotmani yashaya Khotmani la njengoba uzile mina manje ngisazokwe ngoba ngifikile ngizokwe bona ubani umdeki kahle kanake amayashaya lentwana imalale mara ngathatha
kona lentwana le really hip hop manje
angazani too khona ni too
poison
hey ni too way poison
akamnina ke ngiyalamuli poison ngiyalamuli poison
hayi lamlela alizwele hayi akusekho ngakusho kunini
siyabonga kakhulu this opportunity like social link guys don't take this opportunity for granted don't man
Khotmani eqeda ukusuka la ezitheni ithe istick sen iCV
at the end of the day asibhali phansi ayishaya ngengoma
shaya inamba le so Khotmani bayamkasha namhlanje bathi hayi cela wena Khotmani cela uzoshaya inamba wena yini ongenzela ama-female DJ mase ngibuzele ama-female DJ ngoba awekho la kakhulu so it's male dominated man le indaba
I feel like these female DJs now need to start expanding and trusting and believing in their skills. At the end of the day, practice makes perfect. Let's not take opportunities like this for granted. Come, support, try your luck. At the end, hours, unokuhlangana nempongo nje kuphela.
Alright guys,
and you are out there selling for females.
Jana la sikho ukele vele.
But hey.
Ngoba uyimbali beqhakazayo ubone. Yabo.
Lento ukuthi poison uzoyibamba lento leyo.
Hayi mina ngifuna ukwenzani ne mina ngifuna ushayela angethi ize ngani ngamanye amagama wezinye izinto thina sibheka nge-top industry ubeka wena ngibeka upoison ingama futhi ayithi khona la social media abeka sizozirate sizorate club ngomabombe yazo ngifuna ukwenzani khona ngikhiphani inkani ngoba me too ingako ngibala upoison me too when it comes to hip hop khona nene ngifuna ukuthi igama la lizoba surprise ingaka sibiza ngongumbunyana esekingaka intwana ingaka lentwana awuzoyisa mase ni 3 ngishaye 3 meyiso kahle ngani abafuni ukushaya hip hop mina ngazwa ukuthi
a lot of people DJs angazi ngibabali nani
yabo
guys
come
on we need you guys
wena umotivate into futhi la hip hop because of I think mina mangikhula abantu bathi hip hop it was simple speaker speaker and J-Savi this is the simple
abakho nawe uqala manje
ngithi ngiyashaya
uqala manje abo ready uthi that's the reason why
the originator
I started studying down music the first love I had was hip hop full of DJ I was house years amazing but hip hop I was like I need to come back to this and pay homage.
Pay your homage. Udlale kahle.
Ngiyabonga.
Khotmani okwakugcina ngicela for ama-social into ofuna ukubhukha as a DJ and as a hip hop
bafethu DJ Audio Soul on all platforms. DJ Audio Soul. All platforms. Change.
Una TikTok phela manje
TikTok Audio Soul, Facebook Audio Soul. Harddisk Audio Soul, wena Instagram Audio Soul, wonke Audio Soul. Nothing changes.
Abayathi i-harddisk afethu ila khona mawuthela ilink ne yaka Audio Soul ikulahlela ku-harddisk yonke umculo wakhe oda uzothola la ayise ngifake igela lezimba bezofaka igela kodwa ngicela nje uthi e-social link in the street shop has your show
social link in the street
Siyabonga bafethu. But madam, God bless, man.
Thank you, sir.
But madam, uzwile mina ngithanga hip hop. Ana ki hip hop
Hip
dog.
hop don't stop.
Ki hip hop dog. Ah ki hip hop.
Hip hop.
Inesisa ukasere social link shop ezosho. Bheka sekufike thina kozulu omadeba omkhulu udubona kanjani isala kutshelwa udungane lo pelepele. Mina mfethu ngibikile nje ithakaze. Wena ubani? Yeah. Anethaze. Ah, ingane.
Ithakazelo zami zingikhulumele. Yeah, zingikhulumele ithakazelo zami from China ngina 3.
Yeah. iCV yakho nayo iCV.
Yeah?
iCV yakho nayo iSpeak sakho.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yise zingikhulumele.
Yeah. Uqale nini nje?
2010, yeah? And then
Sibalelani khona iPS iphela.
Yeah, no EP. Singing laphana liyaphuma fanda and liphuma EP. Almighty one. Kama le track.
Adila zami itelile mina la letho uphetha lani na.
Kama le track. Not you so stranger.
Stranger lo stranger things like mangibukele
stranger is mara babebheka manifuna on social media ne isani amavawel so seno because angathi abo stranger
ayi nibani
so manje lona uzoba special ngoba manje lo akana mama stranger _SE so amavawel
alila free
isingi liphuma
namhlanje
fanda mabalisearch Brami mabalisearch ku Spotify mabalisearch ku YouTube on all streaming platforms.
Yeah.
Angcho Almighty one.
Mina ngizoyenza masingena hali.
Yeah. No stress.
Oh, sabasesha imijaji kodwa bani. Usubayazi. Bara fere imijaji wasengibatshela izinto zami. Ubani igama mfethu? Uzangathi Tupatukara le DJ. Tupatukara.
Mabukari uta DJ.
Oh, ngithi Tupatukara.
Okay that DJ lo.
Okay that DJ. Yeah. The accent bra, where you from?
Pitori.
Chauka me pa kwa shiteka vasco marafo mkoshifafa. Sahara. Itu bewa bekeli kisi Italiana ngota Itali. So matera dobo ile nakada.
Yeah?
Utero matera kada.
Ah, mfita. Nara tsaraba.
Wena munna muna.
Nara tsaraba jelibi.
Yeah.
Motor le meke.
Nipata kadimnat bro. How the experience la especially
na experience like nakudlala
yeah
DJ le music le set sound ikalo mnati
Linyora wena
Jude mnati fly
amuna zethi hlina sithile ngarino
la ke batharo ndidi hip hop ju
fanele ke tsalabo izingina zongo
ka bethi bakhani
antalo athe bashapa khani bethe obase kukhona hip uteng mthethetseng ka yini
ade
wena nta kuthuthala isela
But we represent the 012.
Hey, right.
Do I let's say more this thing one that's it.
Yeah.
So something by
Yeah. Mara, let's say Lili two, it's question Lili two. It's not over in Antaka. Not over in the very city. We also say that now when it's different.
The music, yeah, music.
Yeah.
So no usually Afrotech, no piano, yeah. Those are izinto ezibhaso, yeah. Yeah.
Okay, slow. Ungayethethanga female DJ.
Ana female DJ sijo rebetha singalo, rebetha tsabu DJ ke re bo ka opela. Ba rebetha singalo.
Yeah. So what is this? Dina di ditsine. Sha. Le lokile batho ba ba. Batla. Ke file ya le shebile. Ya Tanzania.
Personal anegele na dala se this week jo last week.
Kizai.
Yeah.
Then don't know about then what what.
Yeah.
Signing. Look at signing man. Umukile.
Yeah, kumukile. Hey, thank you so much.
Wathala ngi. Yeah. Wena chimanga.
Hayi la ke tsamale. Hayi.
Eh le ke se kashiwe ngeke manje.
Ke tsamale.
Yeah.
Tsamale la ke mutile hayi.
Washa pha.
Wenze ntshongo ha.
And then go hip hop. I think it's 3 people who play hip hop.
Ke dama no fetso dala no skala. Ba re ke ma. O teng ka higa ma.
Audio soul.
Yeah, audio soul.
Sharpa. Sharpa khotman le la teru.
Yeah.
Le sharpa le phela le utile di wings le mna di bo. Yeah, tell me which ba o jabete so. Ale la sharpa mpa. Yeah. Mara phela zila zami na ngijabule ukuthi ngizile. Njengoba ni experience mnandi nani I just hope ukuthi nani bayanthatha abafethu yabo nani sizelile uthela Bakhadi hey Bakhadi uze nge-Afrotech my dog that into sense into different angithola ara sitadile ningu DJ ali bithu yeah
la ke startile 2019
ke follow down oh you know that
ya watsi
master
kai tshwara ka
Waithara le.
ya wa mna
motivation ke mawela motivation o DJ
aish le cool
aish na DJ man
aish
play
le cool
hey
I play cool like ke rata Afrotech so aish
oh yeah
le cool
ai maro ine
Utaka.
famita wi kwatlisa manje wena mipa
That's been a while. I can't remember. I can't say it.
usho re nna kana ke khela di ai wena no so
Ah, nne ke dlala lona di ali na ke.
kana ke khela mataere mona ke le busy kana taere ke le tsa
A re pusha ka pela nna
oh yeah amara sharat ba fetu kela nje pasipati ave vula lesi kuqala manje lethi nithi social link in the street emgwaqweni
Oh, a social link in the street emgaqweni.
Show phezulu show
Danko.
Hayi bafethu nanilazela inesikhathi emgwaqweni abanye bathi danko mina ngithi show phezulu show angakahambi ngithaselana ngifuna abo DJ mfethu abazongala impela engidingayo uDJ ngizomsayina la uzofika ngishayela inamba uDJ ngizomthola la uzofika njalo isigida adlala isigidi adlala iBakhadi adlala iPop and R&B abaye badlala Afrotech mara sikho lapho igama lami ngikhodela kakhulu ukuthi malanga onke ngizangisela ngathethekela show phezulu iproducer lami liyahamba ngamanye amagidi kodwa mina ngihambi ngithathelana in the street especially emgwaqweni afike siya madoda ngiqala ngezulu tata kaSuthu igama ubani nkalakazi
Lulu Dreams stage name
Yeah.
igama kahle kahle uthi yaba
madoda uwe uphike wani ziphala amagama anzima abuwe mfethu ukugamela imnandi kanje thabanga ngijabulani ngala nkalakatha
last bit faction
hayibo
abazali bathi ngitankisi
awuzo madoda ayila amagama amanayi man yazi ngala siphethe bani usiyanda awuzo kodwa hayi sebathenga inkunzi malanga onke madoda hey nafika man ana shaya isigubhu hayi kahle ingathi isigubhu ibizwa ngani lempahla le
hayi ibizwa ngejembe
yeah
jembe drum
jepa oh
jembe awungakubula isearch yona le street jembe drum yeah
wewe uyishaya uqaleni nokushaya ishandisi mfethu
kale 2021
awuzo wasemaster kanje
obviously in order for ukuthi ngibe le experience percussion kahle kahle ngale church yabo bengidlala amadrum
awuthama ukhuluma lesilungu sokuproduce percussion
sina wentona ngaba uDJ mangihlangana nomthipha then saloko school kanjalo then eventually into percussion here we are.
So manisibiza kahle kahle umuntu benganibook as a collective nisibiza ngani
LT Music
so madoda ngeke ngaba nani ngiyaqala CTM
sure
hey madoda niyashaya esinye izinto ngawo yazi bengiva ngisegarage bengithi ngibhayivati ngathi ish azini ngizwe isigubhu mara akusisa sezayona
sure
mangifika ngibona wena hayi uyasigibela madoda God bless bafethi audition lenu I just hope will vibrate because of barata ngenye indlela badoda otherwise experience eni sasenjani since nanifikile
sure I experience so far great
yeah
sure
ubani nimzwile nathi ho
la sister mfethu
ze
c'est standard but for us I can say ukuthi pressure ayikho ngako
ne
i-genre sidlalana la idlala
totally different
ne craft as well understand so for us it was
easy
sibe confident to the stage
otherwise ama auditions since wonke umuntu afikile lana nani kugcwele e social link ni i-view eninjani nge-social link fanakho ngama-auditions or ungayiphendula nawe ungayiphendula
hayi Peter into yalo nje ejwayelekile yeah sure
Akusitepani. Mara shout out to them for the opportunity.
Opportunity ukuthi sekwenzakala nemvonga la akusena ndaba nje. Longo nje sibonile.
Ayiwini na sorry kaka. Leso sinjani? Idaka ngibhala ngehomework. Kumemeza bayifuna incwadi. Abo right. Wena ngayiyo ubhala makwenzani ngeyibuku ngenduku. Besithi hayi ka no uthi akangelezanga ka but bayibize thabang 200 out of 300 business ubokuthi ayiletheshana awara bathi taba bafethu ngifuna ukubuza yini motivate ukuthi vele nishaya ridings nibe ijuko ngoba ni bafethu nishaya ridings mina ngeke ngishaya ispaniseni usihle siyancomeka yazi ngithanda ini awulahleki uyamazi ikuzongena kanjani uyakwazi niyazana bafethu ridingseni man bafethu ufuna ukwazi enhle yini yani motivate ukuthi nizele ihlangane kanje ishayile impahla le
ngaze kahle mina music into vele ngayiqala ngisentwana
ne
yeah hlangana na untwana yabona untwana mana khona into enyane engiyibonayo kuyo
hayi madoda
khona into angaba good inyana kuyo vele via music yeah ngiyamfundisa kanjalo ukudj lokhu shapa
yayidlala impahla
kine sesithengele jembe leli something different inyana yabo from hayi nayo ke ayapasa njengoba sibona sesilana namhlanje
ngizongishayela kancane before siba wara into ngicela nje nithi e-social link in the script emgaqweni show phezu kweshow bese sihlala impahla le iyona nje into engicelayo kancane nje madoda yabo ori ningaqala nje ngayo nje nishaye bese mina ngizoniquewa ke bese siyanikhipha madoda kancane madoda
nawe ngishayiwayo
yabona nebhanda lisekho lana
ayishaya kahle ngasiza
shaya nje trend izo
yeah
ine script emgaqweni bafethu broadcast live linyora ngimfile setawo umnata buti biso ke ma
ke Pac-Man ngalibito stage name but my actual name is Pheko Vincent
awuzuma confess ukupha ilibitho lemnandi kanjani uzozibiza uPac-Man amara Pheko face
Pac-Man Pheko understand
Khotman ucela ni uTJ
didn't discover ile sharp iqalile ko choir music wabo developer from there kanama music ikenze continue akawone and then I went to City J's Khotman yakavele ki DJ
dintsha give shout out to Khotman
shout out to Little there so we pick up ile that
otherwise like ka auditions kwatlo butsa like the experience is one since you fit the way na
my experience is quite nice o thola ijana tselingwe o lene go batho ba dlala jwang you learning learn it's not about you coming here to dlala fela and then that's it
and then networking up pro
and important from whoever also come from West End ke tswa ka dama ka bone batho ba ka se disappointed
so and sholo ba jweditse
exactly
wabo and no ke mara u ba representile ha bana puchaela
always a West End guy
ara is no question e like botsa batho so zodladiwa so ke o fingo ro sheba re God is going crazy
ne
maybe oy one intita ogele hayi
that girl ke maki
ke zain ke ngicela uqole ifika kama lakho ngithola wrong but
ke dlalile before yena odlalile after that second guy before me odlalile wathela like
wathela ne
I know wathela ayitse tabona thing
but otherwise direct Pheko if social link iyakupha i-direct isikhala sokuthi nawe uze la ube DJ resident yini nongathanda ukuyishintsha Khotman
so
like if ba hero okay sharp no resident DJ ke ngithola ka nkaratang life will change
quite well like it so and social link but then I have events taking future the Cozy Affair I have this group of mine exclusive duo Rensari mixtape lefanda ka 12 Rensari mixtape one noon 12 Rensari mixtape
check it out
promise if get over resident I'll bring I have can I crowd after I'll bring more crowd I'll try and change the game I want get into it
sure Khotman la ka kopa mo camereng in the streets a social link
in the streets a social link
show page go show auditions
show auditions
tell me preach 4 minutes Ngizobuza i4 asemuhle.
Ngiyabonga.
Amaswatini asibasele igama ubani?
Okay, igama Odyssey.
God, Odyssey. Yeah. Eish mfethu maya ngiflashisa kodwa asikho la. Yeah. Uhlala happy.
Odyssey. Okay, Odyssey from MP, but I've been around Joburg. Now ngihlala la eNaledi. Yeah.
Naledi. Awungazi ukuthi ngihlala eNaledi?
No. Ngihlala kuphi eNaledi?
Ngase Thomas.
Angiyazi Thomas.
We link up ngishaya podcast. Ama auditions nemfethu. Since ufikile. Hey, khona umuntu nje ashaya sister, mara show ngisu. Ashapa likwete yo. Hey, bathi uyashaya.
Really, I feel like okay, if you people say that when uthini.
I mean, I need to watch it. Tupa industry. Tupa industry.
You know, nerves. I was so nervous.
Yeah, I saw that. I saw that.
I was so nervous.
I saw that. Yeah. Otherwise, social link impethu imgayida ukuthi nizelani zo DJ open auditions zonke umuntu now as a female DJ when if baqashe as a resident yini ungathanda ukuyishintsha?
Engathanda ukuyishintsha mina ne.
Yeah.
You know, we come to groove for fun, for vibes. Yeah. But I mean, each and every place, manje, amapiano, Mina, I love house. And I just have that ability. Like, if you love music, you can just be. Yeah. So I just, not that I'm saying I'm here to introduce, but if I become part of the Bangailashi house, like Kube house, every genre, because most of the group maybe utandi hip hop. If you are endaweni abazali hip hop, so it's like
Nanyahamba.
You
see, so obese yo ngiyami nanyahamba ngiyabashiya.
So yonke into like sifake wonke umuntu.
Man, ngicela ukugama socials zakho. Iproducer lami liyangisayinela manje la endlebeni. Liyangitshela ukuthi isikhathi sesingishayile kumele ngene phakathi. Ama socials zakho nje fast so khona ukubhuka.
Okay.
Sibaphe namanamba.
Okay, on Instagram I am Odyssey_VDJ.
Yeah.
Name. And then you can, it's just that one, Odyssey_VDJ. TikTok Odyssey_VDJ. Facebook it's Agnama _ but it's Odyssey Odyssey space V space DJ.
Any other one ufuna ukuthi TikTok _DJ.
No, who won't buy this?
Yeah, ngicela lapha kamereni social link in the script shop phezwe show.
Okay, social link estrateni
shop
phezwe show.
In the script ngakho broadcast live social link bafethu residential DJ. Abakakamtholi. Next week futhi sobe sila siyabuya. But vandag wonke umuntu ofikile izinto zakufikile shaya inamba. Ayigedela. Bafika boZeni, bafika boPoison, bakhona ama-judges abokhaya, ngangithola. Bakhona bo-riding, siyabothera, Trinity 2 Velocity, bheka zinja zami. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe at Exquisite Swag Media bafethu injalo riding and also comment bafethu. Mara ngakavayi, ngisaselana, ngise-social link, ishow phezwe show, bheka, ngiyabalanda zinja zami, asibe siya, asiyeni phakathi, show phezwenye.
Fight for your dream. Gotta push your ambition now.
Ukabangani ka ngaridensi nje njengoba uye social link. Yeah, ucabanga iflavor. Lebza bakhona abalebza bakhona yazi ulebza iziphi kawo. Ilezi ukuthi ma DJ azukusetela imic. Zicima imic MC ayabulimi bafethu. Azabole benza into snacks bafethu. Social link nane sipa fethu sikhona sivathi bafethu bheka ngakahambi ngisasela nangomunye nagcobisa amadoni ori ubeka ithi abantu bazalana ngamamix bafethu angazi nangathi uthi ngenzani
uyangithanda
angazi mina ngashada mina ngalobola
akusithi sithathe ke
injani mfethu kambana ngiyakuzwa yalahlela futhi nafanda again amen sana yami
mina sebenza so thina ikhenge indlela
amarala hlela sana maya vai
sengiyahamba
awufuna ukuthi sikurate ukuthi out of 10 cabanga
ngicela ningirate 10
iyafika 1 yini iyafika 1 ngiyabuza ngisho
ngiyafika 1 I don't know
afya
1 is 0.25 0.5
0.5
0.5
9.0.2. Mara wena usile mofika la ushaya inamba mose kaslamu uyasijayivisa iwe
Hayi angithi phela you check the vibe wabona
Yeah.
So umsebenzi wenzekile then it is
yeah mara lazi udaba mesisi nekamereni kanje show phezulu show sithini
show phezulu show
Tuan sinungathada kambe nalaka kodwa yeah nabantu uboza kama uphethe kungasazi mara udlalile boy ninyora abaleni
Ay man go Nakathelile senzo zakho sibolisa mihlo Wena ukuzeki noma bekuza wenza ngabo Senzwile futhi ngikhathe ngimfaka zakho Sibakezwa ke haylo
We are doing a talent stage.
It's over stage.
Yeah.
With a high standard. I'm just a judge, so I'm not allowed to say. I'm feeling about DJ fan.
Mara, why go na go feel the DJ about only a few. We are still doing the same thing.
Guys, next week we are still on. This is an opportunity of together to the DJ like for the next 6 months. So, why not? This is a big guys. I see what
So, umuntu ofuna ukujoyina la wenza yini ama-requirements somela yenzeni
Then I stand there. I try to start. I have to join. Above all, stand up. Stand up.
wena bangakwazi ubani mina phela kuphela
Oh, hi. No, DJ kind of TV. Yeah, now. You found kind of situation. I'm trying to buy invest in around so everyone.
Lega kapi fasma kana usi social link in the street social link in the street residential application
Like there's room for everyone who is seeking to come through send anything to give it family and this
Lega kaba tse ukuthi sasa khona kaka ba social link njalo nale ba expected na next week mabezo
otherwise we are still on until 2 tete wala na mabula kwa come to the mabula kwa who is of no man to come music we have good food we have good beers we have good DJs so come through my friend I have been a social as well
show my phone
I use a phone
show the social link show the show
a social link
in the street of Kakoi
in the street Badala Road a social link just link up
siyazama ngakahambi njengoba ngicela kusasela right
I'm telling you.
Angakakuboni DJ yakwenzakalayo
No, I'll say no.
ongahambi ngempela yeah mara bangakwazi ukubani
My name is Jesse. On social media, Jesse, TikTok, Jesse.
malo kanje lento
Wait.
ubando
Ini now Jesse, put it there, no, okay. You just producer. Yes, I'm married. No.
So when I say expected so that music content for what
I mean, I'm gonna play a groovy because yeah, not because for us.
Yeah.
Groovy one. Yeah.
Manje ubani sisomuhle lesekhaya la ubani ka
Hey,
awusemuhle wena nje wakhetha ukuzoba muhle la abantu bethi why Marus, what do you Udlala umculo onjani? Lona disco le I shot the sheriff. Para diri para disco lapho. Bheka angakahambi ngizokuthebula ngezulu. Angakahambi ngisasela ngiphethe izinja my dog. Mna barona mno tshwana le flame mna le bo mojini bra ya bara tshwana le tsela tsa go pitori bo mojini mna tsere mna tsa betsa koshele pile mna diamond mna khanira la mi pa wa mna so ba tsene ka da
etsala ha e ra kena no ne re lo ba misa fela bo
ya mara mna re expecting wena so zo DJ ya tlotla la ra ke batle dipere nna no nka re no
tlamamela ke tsebe mamela
ya baba wami so yajiva nje kungakhali lutho
ngakho-ke phela seyisukile akasuki angithola so lento othi uyi-expected uzoyizwa
ngizoyizwa okay hayi ithi sike sizwe ngale abantu abadala hayi mara khona yebe ngifunda nabo eshayisazi ebengumelela kubhizinisi
no kusho islam
islam yeah kodwa manje akakadlali kwenzakala ya
azingilinde bona number 6
Ulambile abasala ekuseni ulambile
walifuku page 5 ungathi kanti ku page 5 laba ba next week
kubleka sisasondela noma sidala
kabanga thithi fike ngo11 ukuthi leza next week awara khotman mani direct sinjani ye social links sizwele ufikile ku direct ngathi i search for ama residential DJ why experience yakhe njani so far
yonke into imnandi sasemnandi
yeah
ngikabe nama-project
umzile khotman wathi ho
magama bongwacaba
kodwa nje mama
uthiwa beshaya istep kulo ngisho lo muntu
yeah bona khotman abantu abangakwazi ubani igama and then DJ befuna ukubhuka utholakala ngakho
la modele sente express noma khona ngekho
Sequence